Hi guys, I recently acquired a tactical pen. It's the Mil-Tac TDP1 in OD green. It has aircraft grade aluminum body with type 3 anodizing. It has a strong stainless steel pocket clip with two hex screws. I've bought it used, hence these wear marks. They are from the cap. It's not supposed to be used like this, I think. The butt cap does not have any notches, any ridges, so my thumb rests here comfortably. It uses Fisher space pen refills, but it can take normal cheap Parker refills. The main issue I had with this one is that it came loose a couple of times in my pocket, so I had to put some Scotch tape on the threads, so now the friction is enough to keep it in place. Beautiful pen, I'm very happy with it. Thank you, Bogdan. See you guys.